Hey folks, it's Chad here with Chad's RV Reviews. I'm out here walking Roise. It's a beautiful sunny day finally here in North Carolina. And I'm popping in because I want to tell you that Laura and I will be at the International Rally this year in York, Pennsylvania with the Airstream International Club. I also wanted to mention that we are doing a meet and greet on Saturday, the 23rd, I believe, from 5 to 6. I'll list all the information down and below, but also this is going to be a really cool event because a lot of the content creators that are on YouTube that are coming to the rally are all going to be at this meet and greet event. So I wanted to make sure that you know, if you're going to be at International, that you come to the meet and greet. Laura and I will both be there. Rosie will not be there. She'll be in the camper, but Laura and I will be there, and we look forward to both meeting you guys, but also meeting all of the other cool YouTubers that are going to be there. I'll list those all below as well as on the screen. Hope you guys are living riveted. We'll see you at the International Rally in less than 2 weeks. That's crazy.